Once upon a time, there was a dense jungle, a jungle in which all kinds of animals were living. Trees were very tall, and there was a beautiful river which divided the jungle into two sections. All animals were living in small groups, so they can get notified and warned quickly in the event of any predator approach. When we are talking about jungle, how we can miss the king, the lion? The lion of that jungle was very young, energetic, and having full of attitude. What that lion was doing from the last couple of months, instead of going to the different groups for hunting, he has chosen one particular group. So every day he used to go there, sometimes pick any lamb, sometimes any buffalo, sometimes any other animal for his hunger. The animals of that group were very terrified. They were not happy with the king's behavior. They were aware that lion is a predator and they were his prey. But why he is choosing same group every single day? So they decided it's time to change the king. They defined the criteria. Any animal who is more active in that group will be our next king. Voting has been conducted and the winner was monkey. Monkey was very active, very fast, very energetic, can climb the tree very fast. If required, he can swim as well. So everyone agreed with this decision. They were feeling safe and secure. But on that night, lion again came. All the animals screamed. The king monkey started running behind the lion. Lion was on the ground and the monkey was on the tree. Monkey was shouting, screaming and giving lot of warning to that lion. But the monkey didn't come to the ground. And eventually, the lion entered his cave along with his prey. The tired monkey came back to his group and was hoping a sympathy. But all the other animals, they were very angry. They were saying that we have chosen you over king. You got all the powers. Then why couldn't you save? Monkey said, can't you see that I did so much effort? I was kept on trying. Even I didn't take any break. Yes, there was no any result. I can understand. But you can't say that I did a less effort. Tomorrow, I will again apply the same strategy with the same enthusiasm and we will get the result. Everyone kept quiet. They understood what the monkey is saying, that's true. He was in full of sweating. He was completely exhausted. Everyone went back in the hope of better tomorrow. Next night, the lion again came. And guess what's the result? Of course, same. If the action is same, so does the result. What will happen after 1 month? What will happen after 1 year? The outcome will not change, isn't it? So how can we relate this story to our life? Lion is a challenge in our life. It can be quitting any bad habits or developing any new ones. Monkey is the action which we take against that challenge. So in that story, monkey was very efficient. But was he effective? Think. The goal of monkey is to protect his group from the lion. But his skill set, strategy, action was not close to that. And even he's not trying to improve it either. Friends, do you know what is insanity? Definition of insanity is doing the same thing again and again and hoping a better result. There are many people who are not achieving great results. They are not happy with their life. Even they are keep on complaining. If anyone suggests them how to improve it, so what kind of answers they give? I'm too busy. I don't have time. I don't want to learn new skills. I'm completely exhausted at the end of the day. They are busy. I can understand. But in doing what? Are they moving forward or just taking circles? What about you? Are you doing the same way how you were doing the last week? Or is there any improvement? What about last month? Can you compare your last month data with this month? And what about last year? If there is no any significant improvement, friends, then you are stuck in the swamp of your challenges. Whole life you can put effort, but it's very hard you will come out of it. The solution is goal setting, short-term goals and the long-term goals to improve your physique, your personality, your relationship, your professional life, your social contribution. I'm not going to talk more about the goal setting, how to do it, because it's really very vast subject and it won't be justice to share that one in this short video. I will cover that one in the separate series. But in the time being, what you can do, you can write down your current condition and your desired condition. Find out the options, write down the strategy and take action. Later on, compare the results. If there is no significant results, then change the strategy, not the goals. Change, improve, modify. These are the key powerful words. Friends, my name is Rajneesh. I'm a meditation coach and a human potential trainer. My mission is to provide life empowering techniques in a simple and practical way. How are your days going? Is it effective or efficient? Can you compare the results? If yes, whether it is improving or the same, please write in the comment box and share with other likely minded people. I wish you all joy, peace, and an abundance of success in your life. Stay active and keep smiling. See you soon with another powerful and a meaningful story. Till then, Namaste.